Hello everyone, welcome back to Leumastudios. In this video, we're going to be looking into constructing regular hexagon using the length of one side given as the base. So in this question, we are asked to make use of the 30 and 60 degree set scale given the baseline as 30 millimeters. So we are asked to construct an hexagon with just one given side, which is 30 millimeters. So the first thing to do is to draw our baseline, which is 30 millimeters. And to do this, we're going to be making use of our T scale. So to draw 30 millimeters, we have from 33 to 34 to 36. So we have our baseline to be AB, which is 30 millimeters. So the next thing to do is to make use of our set scale to draw the other sides of the hexagon. So to do that, we're going to introduce our set scale. So we're going to be making use of the side which is 60 degrees. We're going to be making use of the 60-degree side of the set square to do this. So starting from point B, I'm going to extend this line upwards with a thin line, and then we rotate the set scale to the other side, and then we draw our line, our thin line. Okay, so we know that the side of each of the hexagon is 30 millimeters. So on each of the side of the hexagon, we are going to measure 30 millimeters. So making use of our ruler, we're going to be measuring 30 millimeters, or we can easily make use of our compass measuring 30 millimeters on our meter rule. So on our ruler, I'm going to be taking the measurement, which is 30 millimeters. Okay, so with this, on point A, I'm going to use it to mark an arc to cut the point at which we have a 30 millimeters, and on point B, I'm going to be doing the same. So from these 2 points of intersection with the arc, I'm going to join those 2 points together. So we have this, which is the midpoint of our hexagon. Then to proceed with, the next thing to do is to bring our set scale using the baseline from our T scale to draw the other 2 sides of our hexagon. So to do this, we're going to be using the 60-degree side of our set scale. So we draw this up with using a thin line, then we turn the set square to the other side, and then draw up 60 degrees as well. So after doing this, the next thing to do, like we did in the first place, is to make use of our compass measuring the side which is 30 millimeters, and then using it to mark an arc from the midpoint, and then from the other point we mark an arc. So we can label each side. This is AB. We can label this as C and this point as D. So we have another point here which is point E and point F. So the point at which the arc cuts those lines, we are going to add, or we are going to join it together so as to have the complete side of our hexagon. So with this, we have successfully constructed our hexagon using our 60 and 30-degree set here. So to finish up our hexagon, we are going to ensure that all sides of the hexagon is ensured to be a thick line. So carefully place your ruler on each side within the range at which you have each side of the hexagon, and then you make a thick line. And with this, we have successfully completed our hexagon using one side given as the base, which is 30 millimeters. So we have the first side to be 30 millimeters here, and then we can label all its sides as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Thank you very much.